It literally works every single time without fail. I'm talking about the simple little trick that I use to make money hand over fist online. $300 a day, $500 a day, even $700 to $1,000 per day while I'm away from my laptop having fun playing music or out fishing or on family vacation, all the things I like to do. I'm going to reveal the trick right here in this short video, along with an incredible new super app that utilizes my trick to suck in autopilot leads, traffic, and commissions 24/7. What you are about to discover could literally change your life, both online and off, just like it did for me, and you are not alone. Today is the first day of the end of your online struggle. Maybe you've made a few bucks online already, but if you're like most, you've gone through hell or high water to do it. Now here's the problem in a nutshell. You're doing things the hard way. For example, you're sifting through crappy products and even outright scams to figure out what really works. You're blowing your budget on scammy traffic that doesn't convert. You're spending hours scrounging up useless free traffic. You're boring yourself to death sitting through training videos. You're stressing yourself out with information overload. You're chasing shiny objects and buying into false hype. You're investing in expensive monthly software platforms that are not needed, and the list of doing things the hard way goes on and on. But at last, you can put a stop to all that today simply by copying my easy little trick. And it'll only take you 30 seconds to get the income ball rolling because my new super app does 100% of the hard work for you. And now, without further ado, here is the multi-million-dollar online income trick that I've been referring to. But first off, yes, I really have and do make millions of dollars online from home. And just to prove I'm the real deal, you can check it out. You're looking at over $1 million in revenue from just one of my many online accounts. And I can happily provide video proof by email request if you're still skeptical. That's no problem. And the little, so to speak, little trick behind literally all of the income you're looking at is giving awesome stuff away. Now, I simply give stuff away for dirt cheap or even 100% free, and then I follow that up with a paid upsell. It's so freaking simple, and yet 99% of people refuse to do it. Either that or they don't realize the raw psychological power behind doing so. But it gets even better, way better. While that is my trick, and you should never ever forget it, my team and I figured out a way to amplify its income power by up to 1,000% and do it across multiple platforms and offers to legally and ethically siphon in money at will, both for me and countless users of mine. Now, the results have been nothing short of astounding. I'm talking about thousands upon thousands of autopilot leads that